Cool, comfort, lower bills. Smart aircon energy tips. Hey guys, I'm Patsby. Today, we're talking about one of the biggest energy hogs in every Filipino household, the air conditioner. With our hot climate, it's almost impossible to live without it. But the problem is it can also make our electric bills skyrocket. Don't worry, I've got you covered! In this video, ILL shares simple but powerful tips to stay cool and comfortable while saving money and energy at the same time. In the Philippines, air conditioning accounts for up to 40 to 50% of a household's electricity bill, especially during summer months. Meralco reports that a typical 1.0 HP aircon running for 8 hours can cost around Philippine peso, 1,500 Philippine peso, 2,000 per month. With more families working and studying from home, aircon usage is higher than ever. Good news! Izu! Don't need to stop using it. With smart practices, you can cut down your energy costs by up to 20 to 40% without sacrificing comfort. Tip number 1. Smart thermostat settings. Set your aircon to 25 degrees Celsius, minus 27 degrees Celsius cool. Enough for comfort, but not too cold that it wastes power. Use the sleeper eco mode to reduce cooling at night when your body needs less. Avoid turbo or maximum cooling settings unless absolutely necessary. Remember, for every degree lower you set your aircon, your energy use can increase by 6 to 8%. Tip number 2. Maintain your aircon. Clean or replace filters every 2 to 4 weeks. Dirty filters block airflow, forcing the unit to consume more power. Schedule professional cleaning of condenser coils at least once a year. Check refrigerant levels and fix leak slow refrigerant. Makes your AC run non-stop. Proper maintenance can improve efficiency by 10 to 15%. Tip number 3. Improve home insulation, seal gaps in doors and windows to prevent cold air from escaping. Use blackout curtains or blinds to block sunlight during the day. Insulate your ceiling or use reflective roofing sheets. If possible, a well-insulated room stays cooler, longer meaning less strain on your aircon. Tip number 4. Use ceiling fans and circulation air conditioners. Cool the air, but fans spread it evenly. Using a ceiling or stand fan allows you to raise the AC temp by 2, minus 3 degrees Celsius without losing comfort. This can save up to 15% of cooling costs. Position fans strategically to push cool air around the room. Tip number 5. Smarter usage habits. Turn off the AC when leaving the room for long periods. Avoid frequent switching on-off. It's more efficient to keep it running steadily. Pre-cool your room 30 minutes before bedtime. Then use sleep mode. Upgrade to an inverter-type AC if possible. They use 30 to 50% less power than traditional units. Long-term solution. Consider solar power to offset AC costs. Public and expert opinions. Energy experts. Small changes in AC use can save families thousands of pesos yearly. Ordinary Filipinos share their experiences. Many report cutting bills by Philippine peso 500, Philippine peso 1,000 per month. After following these tips, government programs like DOE's Energy Efficiency Campaign encourage smarter appliance use. Air conditioning is a blessing in our hot climate, but it doesn't have to burn a hole in your wallet. With the right habit smart settings, regular maintenance, and energy-saving tricks, you can stay cool, save money, and even help the environment. So what about you? How do you save on your aircon bills at home? Share your tips in the comments below. I'd love to read them. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm Pat's Baby, reminding you, comfort doesn't have to be expensive when you use energy wisely.